Hi guys, let me show you how I freeze my soup for later without it losing any flavor or any texture. Okay, so firstly you're going to let your soup cool completely. Alright, then you're going to transfer it to an airtight container or a freezer bag. So I'm going to be using my egusi soup container for this. So now this is just so easy. To make things easier for you, just simply portion out your soup into individual servings before freezing. Okay, so this way you can just grab a container and go without having to worry about an entire batch of soup. Alright, so and it's also a great way to customize your portions to your liking. So with this, you're able to know, if I just grab one container, that soup will be enough for all of us to use. So you don't have to thaw out the whole soup or the whole containers of soup. If you portion it out to your liking, that's also a great way to do it. And then when you're ready to eat, you just bring it out, let it defrost, and then you warm it up in a microwavable plate. So this is a very fantastic way to store your soup or your stews. It's very nice, it's very good. So you don't have to keep warming the whole pot of soup or trying to defrost the whole pot of soup anytime you want to eat. So if you're able to just portion it out like this, put in the amount of proteins you want and the amount of soup that you want, that is going to be enough for you to use for that day. So now with this, it's also good for stews. Any food that you think you can be able to really manage and put in the fridge, because it makes things more good. It keeps the flavor and the textures are also good. It will be there whenever you want to eat the soup. So now when I'm done with that, I'm just going to cover it. Make sure it's well covered. And then you're just going to pop it in the freezer. Just put it in the freezer and let it freeze. So whenever you want to eat, you just bring out one. And that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching.